Good day, everyone. And today we will introduce to you the words in Higaonon, Filipino, and English that show the workers in the community and the members of the family. First, the word padi in Higaonon refers to pari in Tagalog and press in English. The Higaonon word maestada in Tagalog is guro or teacher, and in English is teacher. The police in Higaonon is also police in Tagalog, and in English is policeman. The Higaonon word mamundutay in Tagalog is basurero, and in English is garbage collectors. The first 5 workers are the press, the maestada, the police, and the bumbilo.
Managtambal is a Higaonon word. In Tagalog, doctor. In English, doctor. Mangunguyamo is a Higaonon word. In Tagalog, kumadrona. In English, midwife. Mamadotay is a Higaonon word. In Tagalog, dentista. In English, dentist.
In Higaonon, nurse. In Tagalog, nurse. In English, nurse. In Higaonon, mapulong. In Tagalog, carpintero or anluwagi. In English, carpenter. Other workers who can help us are doctors, midwives, dentists, nurses, and carpenters.
In Higaonon, taghaton. In Tagalog, kartero. In English, postman. In Higaonon, tagpadayag. In Tagalog, mensahero. In English, messenger. In Higaonon, manahiay. In Tagalog, budista. In English, dressmaker. In Higaonon, sastre. In Tagalog, sastre. In English, tailor. In Higaonon, mananahi. In Tagalog, mananahi. In English, saver. We can find them in the community na taghaton, tagpadayag, manahiay, sastre, and mananahi.
In Higaonon, caminero. In English, street sweeper line. Another important worker is the street sweeper. In Higaonon, amay. In Tagalog, tatay. In English, father. In Higaonon, inay. In Tagalog, nanay. In English, mother. In Higaonon, magulang. In Tagalog, kapatid. In English, brother and sister. In Higaonon, magulang. In Tagalog, kuya and ate. In English, old brother and sister. In Higaonon, apubahe. In Tagalog, lola. In English, grandmother. In the family, important members are amay, inay, magulang, o apubahe.
In Higaonon, ang baon. In Tagalog, tiyo. In English, uncle. In Higaonon, indaon. In Tagalog, tiya. In English, aunt. In Higaonon, apo mama. In Tagalog, lolo. In English, grandfather.
Igagaw, pinsan, cousin. Ipag, sister-in-law. Atong lolo gitawag nga apo maama. Uban pa si ambaon, indaon, igagaw, o ipag.
Good day, everyone. Today we will introduce to you the words Higaonon, Tagalog, English that shows the community workers and family members. Bayaw, in Tagalog, bayaw, in English, brother-in-law. Ugkang maama, in Tagalog, biyan ng lalaki, in English, father-in-law.
In Higaonon, batanon maama, in Filipino, pamangking lalaki, in English, nephew. In Higaonon, batanon bahi, in Filipino, pamangking babae, in English, niece. Other member of the family are bayaw, ugang maama, ugang bahi, batanon maama, and ugang bahi. The Higaonon words reflect the culture and life of the community. It is important to preserve and learn these some Higaonon words. Thank you for listening and watching our video. Our goal is to share the importance of the Higaonon, Filipino, and English words in the life of the community and the family.